When the MoonSwatch was initially announced, like many others, I was brimming with excitement, a fervent enthusiast of the Omega Speedmaster. I had spent countless hours admiring various models and harboring dreams of owning one. So, when an affordable Speedmaster variant was unveiled, complete with Omega branding on the dial, my anticipation knew no bounds. It's undeniable that the MoonSwatch created quite a sensation. It managed to transcend the boundaries of watch enthusiasts and infiltrate mainstream media, attracting the attention of even those who weren't particularly into watches. However, my enthusiasm for the watch quickly waned when I discovered its limitations. The primary drawback was the watch's availability. Being situated in the north of England meant that I was over 200 miles away from any store selling the MoonSwatch. The hype and anticipation turned into disappointment as I realized the logistical challenges of obtaining one. The ordeal of long queues, slow production, and scalpers exacerbating the situation left me disenchanted. The initial excitement gave way, and the watch faded from my consciousness. But a trip to Vienna reignited my interest. I learned from a fellow watch enthusiast on Instagram that a store in Vienna had ample stock. Seizing the opportunity, I journeyed to Austria, not just for the MoonSwatch but also for the variety of models available in the store. Unlike the UK, where MoonSwatches were elusive, the store in Vienna had an abundance of models ready for purchase. I promptly made a purchase, shelling out 240 units of currency for a plastic watch. There's no denying that the MoonSwatch is visually appealing. Its resemblance to the iconic Speedmaster is captivating, especially the Moon and Mercury versions. However, the joy I experienced from acquiring it was short-lived. Upon unboxing the MoonSwatch in my hotel room, I spent a considerable amount of time admiring its design from different angles and in various lighting conditions. Over the next week, I wore it frequently, and I must admit, it sat well on my wrist and exuded a well-designed charm. Yet, the watch's value proposition quickly became an issue. It dawned on me that I had purchased a plastic watch with a basic movement and limited functionality. It's bewildering that a watch sporting such a stripped-down construction and minimal features would demand a price upwards of $200. Reports of the watch's fragility, scratching, and color fading only added to my reservations. The MoonSwatch's marketing campaign deserves credit for creating a buzz. Its presence became widely known, even beyond the watch community. Nonetheless, the watch's value for money is questionable. Functionally, it falls far short of the Speedmaster, lacking water resistance, sturdiness, and scratch resistance. Mechanically, it's a basic quartz movement encased in plastic. Despite these limitations, the MoonSwatch enjoys popularity due to its resemblance to the iconic Speedmaster and the allure of affordability. For collectors and enthusiasts, it offers a unique opportunity to possess a watch with a well-known design and brand name at a fraction of the cost. However, if one seeks the satisfaction of owning a genuine Speedmaster, the MoonSwatch falls short. In conclusion, while the MoonSwatch might be visually appealing and photogenic, it ultimately left me underwhelmed. It lacks the charm and satisfaction of owning a true Speedmaster and is outperformed by other watches in its price range in terms of functionality and value. While it may hold potential as a collectible due to its limited availability and potential future scarcity, it's important to recognize its limitations before making a purchase. If you happen to own a MoonSwatch, I'd greatly appreciate hearing your personal insights about the watch. Do you believe it's been a worthwhile purchase, or do you find yourself regretting the decision? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. And if you resonate with the content, a thumbs up would be much appreciated. Take care.